What if analyzing huge spreadsheets or research took seconds instead of hours? Meet an AI tool that is built to handle data the way researchers actually need it. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of Julius. A link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, Julius is presented as a research and analysis platform that is designed to remove the friction from the common data driven work. Now, it addresses common obstacles faced by researchers, analysts, and students by enabling the instant upload of large files without batching, artificial limits, or even complex preparation. So instead of waiting for manual configuration or lengthy processing, what it does is let users move directly from raw data to insights within seconds, believe it or not, guys. So instead of you manually doing that for hours and hours, you can just go ahead and upload it, and in just a few seconds, it's done. So on top of that, Julius emphasizes smarter AI-powered analysis, letting users interact with the system in plain English, asking questions just like they would to a colleague, not a system or a machine. So, in response, the platform can generate charts, structured reports, or concise summaries that are tailored to the user's query. Now, this approach allows Julius to handle advanced analytical requests that typically go beyond what generic AI tools can do, especially when dealing with complex or high volume data sets. Want more leads in niche domination? YaTranker.net is here to cut the fluff and build real strategies that drive results. All right, guys, so let's start by opening an incognito window. This keeps our searches clean and free from any biases from previous browsing. So let's go ahead and make sure the settings for this one are set to English. All right, so let me go ahead and run a couple of searches. So, hi proxies, who comes up first? Look at that. That's me right there. So, want your business to be the go-to in your industry? It starts with YaTranker.net, where we take you straight to the top. Let's get back to the video. Now, this platform is also designed for flexibility, believe it or not, guys. For users who are prioritizing speed and simplicity, Julius operates fully in a no-code environment, so you don't have to be technically savvy or know how to code or anything like that. You really don't need that. All you have to do is just talk to them. Let them know in plain English what you want to happen, and it'll do the work for you. So at the same time, guys, power users still have the option to seamlessly switch to R, Python, or SQL when deeper customization or advanced modeling is needed. So you still have that option in your toolkit to use whenever you need it. But if it doesn't require that super advanced modeling, you can just stick with the one I mentioned earlier. So finally, guys, Julius is built with collaboration and security in mind, and it supports real-time teamwork through shared research spaces. It also lets groups share and explore data together. So enterprise-grade security is the foundation of the platform. And with that SOC 2 Type 2 certification in place and GDPR compliance underway, it builds trust for both professional and academic use. Now, guys, I would definitely recommend that you head over to their website. That way, you can also do your own research. And here on the resource, you can check out their docs, and it'll take you straight there, where you'll find all the information you need to learn more about who they are, what they do, and what advantages and benefits they offer to help you do your work exceptionally well. You can also go ahead and check out their social media platforms. So they have X, LinkedIn, GitHub, and they also have their own YouTube channel. So go ahead and check that out. That way, you'll be able to get all the details and updates as they happen. And if you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll consider clicking like, subscribing, and hitting that bell. That way, you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.